Hi there, my name is Jules and I'll be your tour guide for today.
Hi guys, right now we are here at Taytay Palenque. We are waiting for a jeepney to ride to Angan Rizal. So sit back and relax. We are here at Angan. So the jeepney ride was approximately 15 minutes. So right now we're going to ride the tricycle to go to Cafe in the Sky. We have now arrived at Cafe in the Sky. It takes around 30 minutes to get here from Taytay. Right now, I'd like to take a minute to familiarize you with the area and discuss some of their specialties. So, let's go in. Here are some of their menus. They specialize sandwiches, pastas, and iced drinks like milk tea and coffee. And you know what's more exciting? They also serve seafoods here.